Hey y'all, welcome back to Toya's Garden Haven. Today we're in my kitchen. Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of I recorded this entire video and did not have sound. So, my name is Toya. I'm in Zone 6B in Missouri, and we are in my kitchen today to start some pepper seeds for the springtime. Most of the peppers I'm starting are going to be hot peppers, and I'm going to show you everything I'm going to start. I'm also starting parsley, which I'm going to show you right here in a second. Parsley takes a while to germinate, and so I want to get this started quickly. This is a container variety of parsley. But here are also the peppers I'm going to be starting. Red habanero. I'm also going to start this Chinese 5-color pepper. And then this Pippin's Golden Honey pepper. It's a sweet pepper, but I really love sweet pepper, so I want to get some time on those. A mini bell mix pepper, as well as this Aji Charapita. This is a spicy pepper as well. I hear you have to start spicy peppers just a little bit sooner. They take a little while to mature than the sweet peppers. This mangaji pepper, which is also a spicy pepper. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But these are all the peppers I'm starting, and so this next clip is going to be me actually putting the peppers into a seed starting mix, the seeds into a seed starting mix. First, I am going to start with the parsley. The parsley container does not actually it's not actually a seed starting mix, it's an actual potting mix because it's going to be left in this container for quite some time. Parsley seeds are quite small, and they are said to need to be in the soil about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm just going to sprinkle these seeds over the parsley plant. I'm sorry, the potting mix, sorry. And then I'm going to bury it about 1/4 of an inch deep. And then after I do this, I am going to start on one of my peppers and then fast forward all the way to the end when I get to putting the vermiculite on top. The peppers are being started in a seed starting mix because they will be transplanted at some point. So I'll be back here in a jiffy. Excuse me being nasally, I am getting over being sick. It kind of ran rapid through my house, but this is my seed starting area. So the top row just has some containers that I will be using for seed starting. I got those from Bootstrap Farmer. Excuse me, and it's actually a pack of 6. I'm using one of those to start my pepper seeds. And then this burpee container I got from Walmart at some point, and I'm going to use that container when I do a majority of my seed starting, which is going to be sometime in February when I start like my lettuce and lots of other seeds all in 1 week. And then I also got these big containers from Bootstrap Farmer as well, and these will be used to pot up my pepper and tomato seeds. On the second shelf, I just have some books right now, but I use the books to help get the seedlings up to the light. And I stack the books according to how high I need the seeds to be by the light. And then the lights I actually got, they are called Barina, and they are from Amazon. Actually, I can link those below. But I have my peppers up under that light, as well as the parsley. The other shelves are really just kind of junk shelves right now. I have a fan that I will turn on when I want my seedlings to get the sort of like it's outdoors, but mimicking the wind so that they get stronger. I have some fertilizer, a spray bottle, and just some other miscellaneous jars on the second to last shelf. And then pretty much the last shelf is just kind of another miscellaneous shelf as well. So my little bag that I use when I'm outside in the garden, and I need to just get a couple things pretty quickly, a pack of batteries and other things down there. So I really need to get this area cleaned up, but I really haven't had that much of a chance to do so. And then this is just another discombobulation of stuff, but this is where I keep my stuff from my indoor hydroponic system. It's kind of just in the corner right now until I can get to it and get it all organized and situated. I ran out of zip ties too, so I had to use that rope that I have there to tie my lights to the tiered shelf. And then in this little container, I have like some extra lids for when I do my canning sessions. So yeah, it's kind of a discombobulation over here, y'all, but we will get it together here shortly because I'm going to be starting a lot of seeds here pretty soon. This other area that I am jumping to is just another section of the seed starting area. On the top, I have my onions and my celery, and then also some lavender that are pretty close to the light. By the time you see this video, those seeds have actually germinated, and I have moved them over to the other tiered shelf. But as you can see, I have books, a little area where I keep all of my canning instructions and recipes, and then just obviously, I got my canner over here, my water bath canner and my pressure canner that I usually keep in the garage, but I had used it, and so I placed it over there just kind of get it out of the kitchen. So yeah, this whole area needs a good organizing, y'all, because I've just, it's just a lot going on over here, but also I don't have a ton of space. So the last shelf of this tier actually has some distilled water that I use for my indoor hydroponic system, some all-purpose fertilizer, fertilizer that I use to kind of stimulate root growth, and then also another liquid fertilizer. And so now we're jumping over to my indoor hydroponic system. At the time of me doing this voiceover, the spinach actually went to seed, and so I took the spinach out. And then that one pocket that didn't have anything germinated in it, it kind of molded. And so I will probably be starting some cucumbers and maybe another couple pockets of lettuce in here to get that filled back up. My cilantro, which you'll see in a second, really isn't producing that well. And so I may take out the cilantro as well and put something else in there. But my tomato plant, y'all, that plant is doing marvelous. Okay, like that's the big bushy one that is on the end of the hydroponic system. I have some tomatoes already coming in. They are all green right now, but you see all these flowers on here, so we will be having some tomatoes sometime in February, and I am so excited about that, to have some tomatoes on this indoor hydroponic system. All right, y'all. Well, this is all that I have for you all today. I definitely thank you for listening to my voiceover and my nasally voice this entire time. I definitely hope to see you all in the next video. The next video will probably be my next phase of seed starting, as well as some more winter sowing. But until then, make sure you get your hands in the dirt. It helps to heal a lot of things, y'all. I promise you. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.